What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Salman, and on this channel we talk about personal development, fashion, lifestyle, those sorts of things. And if that sounds like something you are interested in, then let's jump into this video where we will be talking about 5 ways to improve your focus. Tip number 1 is going to be to plan your day the night before the next day. So if you don't do this, what tends to normally happen is you'll wake up and you're kind of all over the place. You're not really sure what's going on. You have to be at school or work or wherever you have to be, or you just lay there in your bed and have really no plan for the day and you're really not sure where your day is going to be headed. This leads to just a bunch of confusion and you just don't know where to even begin your day, and you're just going to be all over the place. If you already plan your day the night before, you already know exactly what you're doing in that day, so you have a list of tasks that you can focus on, and your day is just going to be a lot more structured this way. So you know what you're doing when you wake up, you know what you're doing in your afternoon and your night. You can do this any way you want. You can have like a planner, write out your day as you need, or you can use Google Calendars where you can plan your day by the hour throughout the day, and you even get reminders for that if you download the app. And when you actually implement this step, you're gonna wake up, and instead of being all over the place not knowing what your day is going to look like, you're going to have something to look at which tells you what your day is, and it's all planned out. And I would write out the littlest things that you have to do, like the gym or school, or you have to finish an assignment, or you have a project that you need to work on. This way it allows you to focus on those tasks during the designated times that you've allotted for those. Tip number 2 is going to be to get yourself a good pair of headphones. Whenever you're working and you hear some sort of noise or whatever, then as humans we tend to get distracted very easily. I know personally for myself, if I'm trying to focus on something and I'm hearing like people yelling and off in the distance or any sort of noise, then it just throws me off and my concentration goes right out the door. I personally at the moment use either AirPods or over-the-ear headphones because these really help me focus, and it helps me get the job done without really hearing any of the distractions that are going on outside of my work zone. So do yourself a favor, get a good pair of headphones and put on whatever is going to help you focus, either if that's music or an audiobook or a podcast or sounds of nature, whatever is going to help you focus. Nothing that'll distract you, because personally for me, if I put on any music with any lyrics, then I'm focused more on the lyrics, and then my focus is on that and not on the actual work. At least this way you won't be getting distracted from all the outside noise. And I know personally for myself, because I don't live alone in this house, that if I don't have a good pair of headphones, then for sure 100% I'm going to get distracted. And tip number 3 is going to be turn off social media notifications. And no, I didn't say put your phone away, because sometimes you do need your phone for work. A lot of people these days where everything is now digital, a lot of the work can be done either on your phone or your computer. And when you turn off the notifications for your social media, you won't see Instagram trying to bug you, or Twitter or TikTok. And I know with TikTok especially, if you see one notification, you hop on there, the next thing you know, you've seen like 10 videos and you've lost an hour of your time, and you're just not sure how that even happened. You completely lost focus, that went out the door. Next time you're trying to focus on some assignment or work or project that you're going at, turn off your social media notifications and see how much more productive you get. And tip number 4 is going to be to set some time aside for yourself. This is time for your personal hobbies or anything you actually enjoy doing. These are the things that when you're working you want to do. This is what you would rather be doing. See, by setting some time aside to do this activity, you've already told yourself mentally that you have some time to do this. When you're actually working on something you need to focus on, you're going to be just focused on that one thing. When you're all done, you can reward yourself with whatever activity or hobby that you want to do, whatever that is for you. Maybe you love playing video games, or you want to go on social media on TikTok, or do whatever it is that helps you be creative. Then at least you have that specific time to do that. See, when you were younger, you would get all your homework assignments done before you got to your video games, because your parents wouldn't let you play until you got all your work done. This way for me, I would get my work done really fast, just get it out the way, because I knew I wanted to play my new favorite Call of Duty game or whatever game I wanted to play at that day. And I knew that if I didn't focus on my work and didn't get it done, then that reward was gonna take longer to get to. So now with the same principle, I focus on my work until it's done, and then I know that after that I can go ahead and do anything that I want to do. This brings me on to my last tip, which is going to be explore nature. Go outside and get some time away from the screen, away from your phone, get away from the digital world. See, we as human beings aren't designed to sit in front of a screen all day long. When you go outside exploring nature, I love going on either hikes or beaches or just exploring what's out there. And that's not hard to do. Anyone can really do that. It gives our brain a break from all the devices that we've just been staring at nonstop, and our minds get clogged up with all this. And once you actually go outside and give your brain that break and get a taste of nature, once you get back to work, you're gonna have a fresh start. Your mind's gonna be clear of all the clutter, and you're gonna be ready to focus on that work that you need to do, or project, or whatever it is that your focus needs to be on. And that's all for this video. Those are my 5 tips to improve your focus. Leave a comment down below if any of these things work for you and you try them out and have a significant result in your life. And if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one for similar content like this.